Hello fams, you're welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing fine. Yeah, I trust you're doing good. God bless you. I'm also doing good, guys. So today I'm back with another video, and before then I would just want to thank every one of you supporting me on this channel. May God reward you richly. Okay, God bless you. So I was just on my bed today. I was just craving for this Nigerian jollof rice, not local one or not local jollof rice, those ones that our grandmothers used to cook, you know, without too much ingredients. So I said, no, I have to get up. So I'm going to make it. It's just a small rice because I don't know who and who that is going to eat with me. So I'm just doing it so that even if it remains, it will be only small. So this is it, and this is my chicken. Yeah, I have seasoned it with onions, pepper. I just want it to be pepperish anyway, and the ginger and the vegetable stock. Okay, so this one is cooking now. At least I don't want the video to be too long, so after that I will take it out and begin to do other ones. Okay, let's go. So farms, I'm still going to use the same pot I used for the, no need of going up and down, the same pot I used for the meat. So this is my red oil. There is no local rice without red oil. Okay, so this is the red oil. I will allow it to melt now. So farms, this oil has been bleached, so I will add, then I will add my tomatoes. I ahead and add habanero pepper that I have. I'm going to add it. Then I'm going to add crayfish. There is no local rice without crayfish. So I blended this crayfish with local native Maggi. Okay, that black native Maggi. So as I'm doing like this, then I will add this fish. This is my mackerel fish. I grill it, so I scatter it like this because I want this rice. If I'm eating, I'll be eating fish. Yeah. So that is it. So I'll add it like this. Okay, then I will allow it a little to steam, cover to cook. Then I'll come back to you. And this has been frying. So what I will do now, this is my scent leaf. this is a fresh one I got here. Then I put it in the freezer, so it's defrosted now. So I'll go ahead because I want the scent to come out. This is, you know, the thing that make it local rice. So without scent leaf or your local rice, I don't even know. Without it on your local rice. So I want to put it together here so that every one of them will work. So this is my stock I got from the chicken. So I'll go ahead and add it now. Yeah. So I'll go ahead and add it now. Wow, it is taking shape. So now I will check the salt. I have already seasoned the meat with stock, vegetable stock, so I don't need any other stuff. So I'll go ahead and add small salt. Small salt. Then let it boil. You bring to a boil, then I'll add the remaining thing. Okay, keep washing. So farms, yeah, this has brought to boiling. So it has been boiling. So now this is my rice. This is not basmati rice, this is ordinary rice. Here in Naples we have rice they call Obama rice, and it's very good. Yeah, it's very good. It's good for jollof rice. Yeah, so this is the rice. I've already pre-cooked it and washed out the starch. So this is it now. I'll go ahead and add it. So you can use any rice of your choice depending how you cook it, okay? Because I want to get that real. Oh wow, you can see the color. Oh, you need to come and see how the aroma is coming out here in my kitchen. So guys, this is the rice now. I will go ahead and cover it, then I'll come back again, okay? So fam, this is the rice. Then another thing you don't need to miss on this rice, this local rice, to give you the text, is this leaf. This is, we call it in Nigeria koli leaf, and here we are calling it basil leaf, okay? Italian call it basilico. So I'll go ahead and slice it and add it to this rice. As you can see, this rice is taking shape. It's taking shape. Guys, I'm hungry now. I'm hungry. Okay, let's add it. This is the curry leaf. Wow, at this time I have to turn this rice. I got to turn this rice, fams. As you can see, there is no more water. The rice is taking shape. In fact, it's already in shape. Okay, I'm not going to allow this curry leaf to cook like that. I want to be seeing the greenish color. So if you're watching up to this period, God bless you. Thank you for always be here. I hope you have learned how to cook this local jollof rice. You don't need too much ingredients and everything will be done. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe and leave the notification bell on so that anytime I upload my video, you get to know. So let me cover it a little, then I will come back to the final stage. So by this time, this rice is ready. So do you still remember my turkey? So sorry, my chicken. This is a grilled chicken, okay? I'll go ahead and garnish it. Then I like seeing tomatoes on my jollof rice. So I'll go ahead and put these tomatoes. Okay. And everything is okay. Thank you so much for watching. Let me go ahead and eat my meal. God bless you. Bye.